Hi and hello there, Leo. Welcome new subscribers. My name is Yan. Returning Istam buyers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung di niyo pa alam about the other channel, link down below sa ating description box. If interested, just click that link para mapunta kayo din at araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. At yun nga, lahat tayong gender dito, so bahay, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch ang mga roles dahil possible magkapalit-palit yan kasi general reading po ito. At the end of the day, lahat ay may free will. Like if you want to claim the messages as gawin itong guidance or not, it's up sa inyo. So we're gonna unlock your past life right here kasi may connection talaga yung past life no, sa kung ano yung nangyayari ngayon no, sa inyong life in 3D world. Okay, so before we dive more, let me just tell you guys no, na hindi to for everybody, kaya naman just pick up only the messages na mag-resonate for you. And syempre kung may cross-watchers dito si Leo, welcome ka rin, okay? So, let us see. Archangel Michael, maraming salamat, Angel Guides. Can we get messages para kay Leo? Sa past life ni Leo, can we get details, informations about Leo's past life? Can you please show me? Thank you so much para sa palagi ang presence ninyo sa reading ni Leo. Messages about their past lives, please. Leo. Okay, so Leo, let's get this reading here for you guys. So meron kayong dito na 3 of Wands, 6 of Wands, the Moon, Ace of Coins energy, 10 of Swords, okay, 8 of Pentacles, bottom of the deck, 7 of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles, and the Magician. Okay, so this appears to me as you are a king or you are a queen, no? Or almost sa ganong klase ng status. Because if you are not a king or if you are not a queen, maaring ito ay klase, no? Nang nabibilang kayo sa mataas na antas ng lipunan because I'm seeing that money is coming in sa inyo. You are a big magnet for success. You have this chest of gold coins and it looks like you are up sa air, no? And it looks like with this 10 of swords to the 6 of wands, no? Nagawa mo ito dahil sa iyo ritong effort, pawis, dugo, pagtsatsaga, excuse me, because of your hard work, no? Nakuha mo yung ganong taas na status, no? And I also see that you are with high knowledge, meaning to say, no, this is you pwedeng para rin kayong isang teacher. You give advices, no, with people, with their problems, tips, no, on how to deal with their challenges, tests, no, sa kanilang life. And I do see, no, na this is you. Nakikita ko rito na kahit na parang, kasi nakikita ko sa'yo, parang pataas ng pataas yung ranggo mo. Ganong klase ng energy. So maybe you are a public servant because I'm seeing a lot of people surrounding you guys. There's a crowd of people right in here. They are looking up to you. They are giving you a lot of respect. I do see, no, that this is something here na hindi mo akalain, no, na itong mga tao na to na sumusuporta sa'yo, sila yung magiging dahilan kung bakit aangat yung buhay mo. Nakita ko dito, umangat yung iyo dito, no, na career, job, no? And it's because yung suporta ng mga tao sa paligid mo, they are supporting here what you do. Okay, especially your job is concerned. So I do see that with the presence of lots of pentacles and coins, talagang nabiyayaan ka rito, no, ng karangyaan, magandang buhay. Kaya na-mention kong nabibilang ka sa antas ng pamumuhay na medyo mataas. So I do see that this is you kahit na yung energy mo rito is hindi ka rito magtrabaho, no, ng isa or dalawang araw may kakainin ka pa rin, no? So I do pick up right in here that this is you. You are someone here who accumulate this prosperity, this abundance because of your diligence, hard work, dugot pawis, pagtitiyaga, own efforts, 102%. So I do see that this is you, no? You could be dreaming now that you are someone puwedeng, nakasuot ng magarang damit, no, looks like a dress, but it is the clothes of a king, of a queen, because you are really a king and a queen, no, sa iyo ritong past life, no, but a very humble king or queen. So even though you are nasa mataas na posisyon, okay, or nasa mataas na estado ng life way back then, you are not someone na madamot, you are not someone here na nagdadamot, you are not someone here, no, na mapangmata, no, sa mga nakabababang mga tao, no. You are someone here who shares what you have. Eight of coins, seven of coins. Look at that golden goose. Okay, this is what you've got, that kind of life, no, that looks luxurious, no, sa nakikita natin dito. So definitely you're heading your way now in the 3D world. So you could be having dreams of like a queen or a king, or maybe you're having dreams that you are being surrounded with gold tones, no? Pero hindi naman yun yung parang mga coins or golden coins na nakikita mo, pero basta you're seeing parang gold-like tones of light, okay? So it looks like, no, these are already mga pahiwatig, no, sa iyong dreams na pinapakita that you're about to step in into a very abundant life, no, and you are already seeing the signs and clues in your dreams. Leo, wow, no. So I do pick up right in here. No, yeah, I'm seeing actually, gold tones right in here. So it looks like you're like King Midas, no, whatever you touch turns into gold. So I do see that with the Three of Wands energy, your future here will never be the same. So if you're experiencing some kind of lack of finances, shortage of finances, it will end soon. It will be over soon because you're gonna step in into this life wherein there's no problem, especially when it comes to your money, or as long as money is connected here. Look at the moon, it's smiling, no, this is a very happy moon, a lot of calming situations, no, hindi ka dito mamomroblema, especially when it comes to your pera. And I do see, no, that this is you now, even kahit wala kang money sa'yo na matira, no, you're sharing it with your family, you are providing here, no, with your family. You are someone here, no, na hindi rito, no, nagdadalawang isip na tumulong, no, especially with your loved ones, with your closest people in your life, no, kahit na yan ay pera pa or related sa pera right in here. So I do see that this is you. You are already sharing what you have, even though kahit wala nang matira sa'yo, not just with your close people here in your lives, no, kahit yung mga parang nakikita mo, no, ng mga street children or nagugutom, no, you're giving them, you're sharing what you have, no, so yung sukli mo, binibigay mo sa kanila, or your baon, no, na food, binibigay mo sa kanila because you know, no, na pwede ka naman kumain later or bumili pa ng pagkain mo, no, kaya ibibigay mo na lang sa kanila yung food mo or yung extra mong money, no? Like, kunwari, sa sukli, no? And then, binigay mo dun sa street children, no? Yan, sa mga ganong klase ng energy. So, you are someone here who's very generous, very helpful, kahit wala nang matira sa'yo. Yun nakikita natin dito. So, I don't know, I'm picking up this. Maybe, may plano ba kayong ipagawa sa bahay ninyo? May nasira ba dyan? Or something related with house or home? But I do feel like, no, na meron dito na parang gusto ka ritong gawin or baguhin sa home. Okay, like repair or fixture kind of thing. Okay, so may energy rin dito mga babes, no, that you, yeah, look at that. Look at that. This is a, this is an entity right in here, no, pouring this. Look at that. Okay, there's that glittery, no, golden, like stone. This is that kind of blessing that you will receive, no? And I do pick up that you will receive this unexpectedly, no? Like pwedeng after mong matulog, good news will arrive, no? Related sa yung financial, yung nakikita natin dito, no? Or after na parang hindi mo in-expect yung ganitong klase ng good news to arrive because you're too busy. I'm also seeing you working on something and you're busy doing something, minding your own business here. And then, boom, there's this message related here, no, with your finances, no, and this will definitely make you very happy, no. So I do feel like that this is you, Leo. You're meant to step into this type of energy wherein you will have everything that you want, everything that I do see someone here, no, you have a lot sa yung mind, no, you want to buy um things na hindi lang for you, but also yung mga things for your family, for your loved ones right here, no? And I do see that the universe is blessing you this, okay? At ito ay na-accumulate mo because of you sharing what you have in your past lives. Yeah, binabalik lang ni universe rito, no? Kung ano yung ibinigay at ipinagkaloob mo, no? Nung ikaw ay nabuhay, no? So, hindi na importante kung naalala mo ito, no, or whatsoever. But yeah, I do see individuals, Leo people, no, you have these dreams, you're wearing some kind of satin-like, dress-like, long clothes dress, and that is the clothes of the king or queens, no. And yeah, I do see that if it is not the clothes, no, I'm also seeing wearing you your crown right here, no. So meron kayo ritong suot na corona, and definitely you're definitely a queen, a king right in here, no, but a very humble one. Okay, I'm also seeing, no, that you are someone who's benevolent. Okay, and also you have this kind-hearted, no? So may puso kang hari or may puso ka ritong reyna, no? Mapagmahal sa iyong nasasakupan. Pag may lumalapit, ikaw talaga mismo yung tumutulong at hindi mo to inuutos sa iba. I'm also seeing you very hands-on, and nakikita ko rito wala kang hinihintay na kapalit na, "O sige kumuha ka ng gulay diyan pero dapat magtanim ka simula bukas, ha." You're not like that. You are a very generous king or queen with a very generous heart. And now the universe is just giving this back to you. I'm picking up right in here the 2026, your life will never be the same. And for some kind of reasons, I'm picking up that it will start probably before second quarter begins, second quarter of 2026. All right. So yeah, wow, claim this beautiful good news here for you, Leo. So guys, ito yung mga messages right here for you. Thank you so much. It's such a privilege to see these messages and reveal this to ya. So, again, in your Yana Ani Sarang Hey, Love and Light, Leo.